Here we go as usual. Indescribably beautiful New Zealand. In life there's always time to take the dog for a swim. Come on, Rock. Good boy. Come on. Good boy. What's that? Take off. Obviously, it's these little moments. Just remember, everybody, it's pointless kind of like running around doing things all the time. Sometimes you just got to take some time to kind of chill out. Look around you a bit. Take a break. What do you reckon, Rock? Come. And that's why they call him Rocky. He's found a rock. He's off to build a wall somewhere. Well, here we are. Beautiful Moco, New Zealand. This is probably the best place to introduce you to my lovely tow rig. 1994, 3.1 turbo diesel, automatic Isuzu Bighorn. This thing's done nearly 400,000 Ks. It's never missed a beat. Tends to go all over New Zealand towing classic cars, which is what it's doing again today. It's not exactly super tidy inside. I'll just show you in a second. Everything works. It's got aircon. We tinted the windows right out because it's really good for me and the dog. Look inside. It's always a complete tip in here because we're always moving along doing things. There we go. Hello, Rock. How are you doing? Enjoy your swim? You certainly did. Back is obviously wrecked. Right, you stay there, buddy. Just a minute. Good boy. And this is what we're towing today. 1975 Rover V8. Actually, this is kind of a British muscle car. Sort of. If you think of British and muscle car, and you can handle that two words together, this is what it is. One of the very few cars in Great Britain that came standard with a Rover V8. Obviously the Rover V8 was sourced from Buick. It's quite an amusing story to that. Apparently the gentleman went to the factory from Rover. He was looking around, stubbed his toe on an engine, saw it was an aluminium V8, asked them what they were doing with it, and they said, well, you can buy it off us if you want. He said, yeah, that'll be fantastic. And 35 years of British cars had them. Every Land Rover, MG V8, all these Rovers, all the same, all aluminium, 225 V8. Too small for American tastes, but just great for us. Apparently, if you don't like that much power, you don't want that much fuel economy. This one's actually quite a nice car. Just picked it up from Partia, which is pretty much the middle of nowhere. It's got the usual sun-baked New Zealand interior. A spare piece of glass in it too. Radio cassette. Flash. Actually quite a nice car. Probably going to do this one up for myself, I think. Always did like British Racing Green. And we'll probably get underway now. It's nice to stop here and take the dog for a swim. It really is quite beautiful. The dog seriously appreciates it. Plus, there's a fantastic butcher in town, actually. Does some really, really great salamis and sausages and beer sticks. It's amazing. Should try it if you get here. Right, we're going to continue the rest of the journey home now.